Updating your payment method on Knime Business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current and accurate. Step 1. Login. Access your Knime Business account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update payment information. Click on the option to edit or add a new payment method. Enter the required details such as credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure your payment method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment method on Knime Business. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.